you're looking for a meaningful career in healthcare, but you're not interested in hands-on patient care, medical office administration could be the right choice for you. Professionals trained in medical office administration work behind the scenes to ensure that healthcare industries operate smoothly. They work in the front offices of medical practices, in hospitals, and at medical insurance companies. Duties may include answering phones, scheduling appointments, managing patient records, doing insurance billing, and ordering medical supplies. Charter College can prepare you for an entry-level career in medical office administration in just 10 months. And you can enroll with confidence knowing Charter College is institutionally accredited by the Accrediting Bureau of Health Education Schools. In this 100% online program, students get specialized training in industry-current medical administration procedures and with medical office computer programs. Job titles include medical secretary, medical insurance coder, and medical receptionist. Whichever job they earn, graduates of the Charter College Medical Office Administration Assistant Program are helping to optimize our healthcare system.